Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Log In. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Bigo Live on PC. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Download and install BlueStacks on your PC. In order to download Bigo Live, you can go and click open a web browser and in the search box type in Download BlueStacks Emulator. Make your search and from the search results, click on this link right here, which will take you to the official web page of BlueStacks. Click on the download link right here in order to download it for your Windows, and once you download the application, click the application open. Give it a few minutes. Once your BlueStacks opens, click on the Play Store option. Now search for Bigo Live in the search box. From the search result, click on Bigo Live Livestream Live Chat app right here and click on the install button to download the application on your PC. Wait until the download is done. Once the application is downloaded, click it open. And there you have Bigo Live application for your PC. Go through the terms and conditions of Bigo Live and click on I have read and agree to the terms above. Click on next after you're done and select your country from the drop down and type in your phone number in the text box. You can also log into your account by using the social networking sites displayed on the screen, and after you are done entering your credential, click Next. If you don't have an account yet, you can click on the sign up button and register yourself to a new account first. After you're done typing in your phone number, type in your password for your account and click on Login. And soon after you do that, you'll be logged into your Bigo Live account on your PC. Click on the blue button at the bottom of the screen and start your live broadcast. If you'd like to visit your profile, click on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. And if you'd like to make some edits on your profile, tap on the human icon at the top right one more time from this page. And from this page, click on the pen and paper icon at the top right. And you can go ahead, make some changes for your profile. If you'd like to correct any informations, input your bio in order to make yourself stand out. After you're done, click on Submit. That is how you can easily use Bigo Live on your PC. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.